Hi, my name is Natalie Williams. I'm a certified yoga teacher. Welcome to the month of June, where we are incorporating a series of power flow. What that means is you're going to get warm, that heart rate's going to get up, and we're going to move in sequential order to where the biomechanics are good for our body. So make sure you are in a spacious area and let's get started. Make sure to always consult with your physician prior to engaging in any new exercise routine. In this session, we are going to do a ground level power flow. So find a seat, shoulders back, navel in and up, and remember, modifications are welcome. If you want to put something under your hips, go for it. From here, close your eyes and take the deepest breath you've taken all day, through your nose if possible. Open your mouth and go, 2 more just like that. In through your nose, open your mouth and go, 1 more, in, and out. And see if you can close your mouth this time. Let it hit the back of your throat, the air, and then come out through your nose, just like this. Can you hear yourself breathe or try to? Inhale, and out. 1 more, and out. Working that diaphragm. Now drop the chin to your chest, roll each ear to each shoulder. Pause whenever you need to. And a couple more times, back and forth. If I go too fast or too slow, you go your pace. And over. Then inhale, lift up, roll the shoulders up, back and down 3 times. 2, 1 more, 3, good. Now forward for 1, good. See if you can keep that breathing. 2 and 3. Arms come out to the side, take a deep breath, arms come up. And exhale down, 2 more, up. And exhale down, 1 more up, and exhale down. I'm not mirroring you, lift up to the sky, twist over the right shoulder and twist. Inhale up and twist. 2 more, inhale, squeeze the core, really squeeze the core. Try to relax the shoulders in between and over. 1 more deep breath. And we're gonna stay in this twist a little bit further. Relax the shoulders, stay here, take a deep breath and see if you can twist back a little bit more. Good. Inhale, lift up and twist over to the other side. Relax the shoulders, straighten that posture and twist a little bit more if it's okay for that spine. 1 more time. Inhale and twist a little further. Then arms come up and reach, reach, reach. 1 hand on the other, reach for the sky. Take a deep breath and elbows come out. 2 more times, up and out. 1 more time, up and out. Place the hands on the shins, lower than the knees. Drop and round the arch back, tuck the tailbone in, drop your head. Inhale, lift up, and exhale, arch back. Inhale, lift up, and exhale, back. 1 more time, up, good, and back. Now we're gonna go in a circular motion. Imagine that your rib cage is circling your spine underneath. So it's rounding the pot right here, up and around. A lot of visualization, see if you can chime into it. Pause over, around the other side, really big circles. Really use the core muscles, then lift up. Drop the right hand down, left hand comes up, over, over, over. Lift up, windmill the arms over. Very good. 2 more times, up and over, up and over. Good, keep it going, up and over and up. Hold and over, up right here. Next, we're gonna go ahead and place the hands down all the way on the ground in front of you, coming onto all 4s right here. From here, cats and cows in this tabletop. Shift the heart, bottom and chest and chin up, and then arch it. Lifting up, and arch, and up, and arch. Next, a sturdy tabletop. Take the left leg up and around 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Back 3 times. 1, good, 2, 3. Placing it down, switch legs up and around. 1, keep the breath work alive. 2, 3, other way. 1, 2, 3. Placing it down, tucking the toes under, walking the hands in front of you, find your plank. Then downward dog. Plank, good. Downward dog. Plank, then downward dog. Go ahead and bring the right knee up, and we're gonna circle it forward 3 times for 1, 2, 3. Pause, go back for 1, 2, 3. And switch, left leg comes up for 1. Deep breathing, 2, 3. Go back for 1, 2, 3. Finding a plank, elbows in, drop the knees or not, chaturanga down, elbows in. From here, can you push up all the way to a plank? Can you do it? If not, drop the knees, come up. 2 more times, just like that, elbows in, hover, hover, hover. You can do this. Make sure that your shoulders don't go lower than your elbows. That can hurt them. Gently come down and up. Good job. Upward facing dog. Good. Downward facing dog. Plank. Chaturanga. Up to plank. Downward facing dog. Upward facing dog. Plank. Chaturanga. And up. One more time. Downward facing dog. Upward facing dog. Plank. Chaturanga. And down you go. Very good. Untuck the toes. Arms come back. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, down. 2 more. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. And exhale, down. Hands come in, elbows squeeze back. Lifting up. Tuck the toes under. Downward facing dog. From here, the right leg's gonna come up, and we're gonna swoop it through in between the hands. Find however you can get there. Drop the left knee. From here, both hands come on the inside of that right leg. Then we're gonna swoop it back, hands straddle. Hands come in, and hands straddle. Hands come in, hands straddle, straightening this right leg. So you can go down just a little bit here. Nose towards the knee. Deep breath in, next exhale, sink in. Then we're gonna walk it forward. From here, if you wanna take it into lizard, lift that back left knee. This is a little bit more active if you can. Drop the elbows down. Completely up to you. Take a few breaths here, in and out. From here, can you swoop this right leg back and around? If not, find a different way to get it back there. Downward facing dog. Go ahead and walk your dog for a moment here. Then the left knee comes in. Place it in between the hands. Drop the back right knee. Hands come on the inside, really drop the right hip down, open the hip here. Then straddle, curl the toes towards the nose towards the knee. 2 more times, really drop the right hip down and lean back, nose towards the knee. Walk it forward, drop and lean back, nose towards the knee and really dip down here. Then we're gonna walk it back, both hands on the inside. If you can curl the toes under and kick that back right leg up, go for it. If you're flexible enough to come down, come on down, or stay up. Take a deep inhale and exhale. Sink in a little bit, drop down a little bit more. Then from here, can you lift up and kick back? Holding this plank, we're gonna go ahead and turn to the right side. Holding here, modifications, that right knee can be dropped or you can be onto your elbow. Arm can come up, left leg or right leg comes up and down. 1, good. 2, 1 more. 3, good. Find a plank. We're gonna switch sides now, so make sure your hips aren't dropped. They're nice and lifted. Flex the feet, arms come up. Upper leg's gonna come up for 1, good. 2, and 3. Hands come down, drop the knees or not, chaturanga. 2, upward, down dog, plank, chaturanga, upward, down dog, plank. 1 more, chaturanga, upward, down dog, and plank, chaturanga down, upward. Hold this upward right here, deep breath in, and drop the knees, and find your child's pose. Go ahead and come on up onto your knees. Right here, we're gonna take the right leg out, hold it here. If you need to place your right hand on, or the left hand on the ground, you can, or you can hold it up here. Find what balance works for you, make sure that knee is okay. We're gonna lift it up and down, up, and down. One more, up, and down. Now let's switch right here, up, and down. Really feel those hips working. Up, and down, up, and down. Then place your legs down, shoulders back, staying where you are. I'm just turning around. Nice little back bend right here. Then forward fold. Inhale up, back bend, and forward fold. And up, back bend. So stay here. If you can go down a little further, we're gonna go into camel pose if it's okay for you. Hands go all the way onto your ankles. If this is too invasive to the back, grab a block, no problem. And then we're gonna come on up and sink into your child's pose. If you wanna go wild child with your knees out wide, you can do so. Drop your head and take a few moments just to breathe here. Deep, full breaths. Then we're gonna push on up onto all fours. From here, right arm in front, left leg back. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, elbow to the knee. 2 more times, inhale. Exhale, elbow to the knee. 1 more, inhale. And exhale, elbow to the knee. Inhale, reach, bend, grab a hold if you can, kick into it if you can. And gently lower. Switching now, right leg back, left arm front, deep breath in. And exhale, elbow to the knee. 2 more. Elbow to the knee. 1 more. Elbow to the knee. Hold. If you can, bend and reach back, kick into it if you can, and hold. And gently lower down. We're gonna go ahead and come and sit onto our bottoms. Shoulders back, navel in and up. Find your modifications. Imagine you have a ball in front of you and you're holding it as you twist over. Inhale and over. 2 more. And over. Up and over. 1 more. And over. Up and over. Getting a little bit more intense here. Lean back and up. 2 more. Back and up. 1 more. Back and up. Place the heels down, hands come back, shoulders are relaxed, elbows lean back, lift up and down. 2 more, up and down. 1 more, up and down. Place your upper back down onto the ground. Make sure your knees are on top of your heels. We're lifting up the hips and releasing them down. If you want to advance this, right leg comes up, chin up, lift up and down. 2 more, up and down. 1 more, up and down. Flex the foot, stack it on top of the left leg. Make sure that you feel comfortable. If you can, push into it, that's fine. Then if you want to, swoop the hands underneath that left thigh. Pushing into it a little bit. Feel free to close your eyes if you'd like to. Then unleash. Right leg goes down, left leg goes up to the sky. Lifting up, gently coming down. 2 more, up and down. 1 more, up and down. Figure 4, right leg on top, and swoop it under and through. Again, feel free to close your eyes if you'd like. You might notice one hip is a little tighter than the other. Then gently unleash. Left leg goes down, lift the hips up if you'd like to. Hold it here, and then gently come on down. Bring both knees into the chest, tee the arms out, squeeze the core. If you have lower back issues, maybe exempt this. Twisting to your left, to the center, and right, to the center. 2 more. It also helps massage that lower back, center, right, center, left, center, right. From here, you're gonna hold it up. Okay, so if you've done eagle pose, you'll notice the right leg is coming on top of the left. It's like you're sitting in a chair and you're just crossing your legs. If you can, hook that right foot under that left ankle. The right arm is on bottom, the left arm is on top. Clasp the hands if you can. From here, we're gonna squeeze to crunch down into your eagle as we lift up into a crunch. So we're doing this 3 times. 1, back, 2, back. This third one, we're holding for 3, 2, 1. Keep your right leg and left leg crossed, unleash the arms. If you're okay for a deeper spine twist, drop both legs over just like so to the left side. It's a really deep twist. Take a deep breath in and out. One more deep breath in and out. Squeeze the core, tuck them in, back to center, then unravel them, shake them out. From here, the left leg is gonna come on top now, swooping around underneath that right ankle. Left arm is on bottom, right arm is on top. Same thing this side for 1, back, 2, back, 3, hold for 1, 2, 3, release. If you want to try this deep spinal twist over towards the right side, left arm goes out. 1 deep, long inhale and exhale here. Good. Then squeeze your core, bring those knees in, unleash them, shake them out, place the feet down. You can go here into this butterfly pose or whatever feels best for you for your restorative. Cactus the arms if you're with me, and if you want to, relax your face, your jaw, your hips. See if you can really start to slow down your exhalations. Notice there's a pause in between the inhale and the exhale. Go ahead and start to think of a calm place that just makes you feel peaceful, secure. And for the next few moments, just drift away into that place. And slowly start to move your extremities, maybe bring the knees in or out, or elongate the legs and the arms over the head. Feel free to curl into a little ball. And then with no rush, whenever you're ready, you can come to a seated position. Ears over shoulders, shoulders over hips. Nice, tall, good posture. And just feel your body in this blissful state. And think of one word you want more of in your life, and breathe that into you. And exhale, let it carry on with you. Bringing your hands to heart. Take a deep breath in and out. Thank you, thank you, thank you.